Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to make you a quick video and go over a few tips and tricks with you on how to boost your online presence. And at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be anything that's on your front page here. Any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google does recommend that you do utilize about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a homepage. Within that content, you want to be able to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a big help. Now, I did put your website into this tool that we use for analytics here. So basically, the first thing I'm able to see is that you have your trust and your strength. So those are very even right now, which is good. This is a scale of 100. So as you build those up, you definitely want to keep them as even as possible. Now you are indexing for 6 keywords, which is bringing 3 organic searches to your website. And then you have 684 backlinks from 32 domains, which is good. But here's the thing about backlinks. What they are is a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative that will bring power to your website. And I'll show you in comparison to a competitor here in just a moment. But first, I do want to go over this area here. This is the Google Map Pack. This is the bread and butter for businesses. This is the most imperative place to be able to be on for your business, which you are at the top, and I think it has a lot to do with your backlinks. But there are so many other things that you want to do, like service areas, what types of services, and that all goes with keywords and stuff like that as well. So with this particular search, you are the first person on here. So that was just when I put Fence Pacheco, California. So I'm not sure if you would be how you would be ranking for other keywords. Now, with this, the best way to do this to be able to make sure you keep your relevance is you want to have a ton of reviews, making sure you also have your entire Google business profile filled out, and you want to utilize all 750 words on the About Us section. And I would also place keywords in that section as well. You want to be very responsive to your reviews and messages. Make sure to keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos, and it's all going to help with your relevance as well. So I went over to their website here. You can see that they have quite a bit of content, a little bit more on there than you do. Now, looking at this, they don't quite have as many backlinks as you do, but they do have a lot more keywords than you do. So the idea is to see what they are utilizing and to be able to get more. So you already have a lot of backlinks, but we would definitely want to make sure those are the right backlinks that are giving you the proper power. And then here we're able to go through and check out these keywords. So the idea is to be able to check out the competitors and see what their keywords they're utilizing to bring power and relevance to their website. So we look for what we call buyer intent keywords. So what a buyer intent keyword would be any service that you are using and what service area. Like here, Walnut Creek General Contractor. That is definitely a buyer keyword. That's what somebody would be looking for when they're looking for like a particular service. Decking and fence, San Francisco. That's a keyword. You don't want to do like near me. That's not the best keyword to go for. But definitely anywhere that has a specific location and service, those are the keywords we want to go after. So those are all the tips and tricks that I have for you today. I want to say thank you for letting me send this over to you and you taking the time to watch it. I would love it if you had any feedback to let me know if any of these tips and tricks are helping you out. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day. Bye now.